In this video, let me show you how to fix Spotify login session expired. In order to solve this sort of issue for your Spotify, this generally involves refreshing your credentials. Now this usually means adding in your credentials back as soon as you get logged out and try to see if you can log in. Now if this happens often or you often get this login session expired error, then what you'll need to do is look for new updates available for Spotify. So quickly head over to the Play Store or the App Store. Then you just need to search for Spotify. If you do see new updates available, make sure you update this application. What you can also do is try to clear out the app cache of Spotify by tapping and holding the app and then heading over to this eye icon. Once you're inside of this settings page, you'll see the option which says storage. Right inside of storage, you'll see the option called clear cache. Once you complete this step, make sure to clear out Spotify from the recent app list and try to log in and try to see if this fixes the issue. Now this also mainly happens due to security measures. If you've been logged into multiple devices, this may sometimes occur. So make sure that you verify all of the devices that you are currently logged into. So once you complete these few steps, you should be able to fix the login session expired within your Spotify. But however, if you're still having issues with it, what you can also try out is try to uninstall the Spotify app from your device and then again re-download it. This ensures that any sort of bugs which may be causing the issue should be now fixed. I do hope this guide video was helpful. If it was, be sure to subscribe. That's gonna be all for this one. I'll see you in the next video.